Module 5. What the future holds. Five A. Predictions.
Translate.
The moon. The earth.
New words.
To be very different. To be so polluted. To be able to.
To exist. Mini submarines. Moon shuttle. To have enough money. To believe. Traffic jams. Fuel. To cause pollution.
Housemaid. To change. To look after. Petrol. A few hours. Exercise 1, page 46. Read the texts. I'm sure life in 2100 will be very different. The earth will be so polluted that we won't be able to live on it anymore. It will be difficult to find clean water and lots of animals and plants won't exist anymore. I think we will live in glass domes in underwater cities and will travel in special mini-submarines.
I think life will change for the better in 2100. Everyone will have a robotic housemaid that will do all the housework and look after the kids. We will also have robotic teachers, and if you don't want to go to school, you won't have to because there will be online schools.
I think that we will be able to take holidays on the moon in 2100. A moon shuttle will travel from the Earth to the moon in only a few hours. There will be moon hotels where people can stay, and moon zoos where we will see strange creatures. People will wear special suits that keep them on the ground. But I'm not sure everyone will have enough money to go on a holiday to the moon. I believe we will have flying cars and we will be able to fly around cities. If we have flying cars, there won't be any traffic jams. I also think that there won't be any petrol left, so we will use another fuel that won't cause pollution. It will be better for the planet.
Match.
Moon shuttle.
A flying vessel that can travel to the moon.
To believe.
To think.
To have enough money.
To have the money you need to pay for something.
To be polluted.
To be very dirty.
To be different.
Not to be the same.
Mini submarines.
Small ships that travel underwater.
To cause pollution.
To make the environment dirty.
To exist.
To live.
Traffic jams.
When cars are stopped in the street because there are too many of them.
Fuel.
Substance that produces energy when burnt.
Exercise 2, page 46.
Choose the best answer.
Mark thinks that the Earth will be
Very dirty.
Jennifer believes there will be no robotic
Schools.
Jake thinks that not everyone will
Be able to go on holiday to the moon.
Brad thinks that flying cars will
Use a new kind of fuel.
Exercise 3, page 47.
How can we talk about predictions? Read the sentences, then the rule.
I'm sure life in 2100 will be very different.
I think we will live in glass domes in underwater cities and will travel in special mini-minus submarines.
If you don't want to go to school, you won't have to because there will be online schools.
But I'm not sure everyone will have enough money to go on a holiday to the moon. I believe we will have flying cars and we will be able to fly around cities.
If we have flying cars, there won't be any traffic jams. We use will to make predictions about the future based on what we think or imagine. We often begin our sentence with the words, I think, I'm sure, I believe.
Мы используем will, чтобы сделать предположение о будущем, основываясь на то, что мы думаем. Или представляем. Мы часто начинаем наше предложение со слов «я думаю», «я уверен», «я верю».
We use the present simple after if and when, not the future simple.
Мы используем простое настоящее время вместо будущего времени после.
If and when. Exercise 4, page 47.
Ask and answer the questions.
Will people go on holiday to the moon? I don't think they will. They will. Will people drive flying cars? Yes, I think people will drive flying cars. Will computers talk? Yes, I think computers will talk. Will time travel be common? No, time travel won't be common. Will people live in underwater cities? No, I don't think people will live in the underwater cities. Exercise 5, page 47. Put the verbs in brackets into the future simple or the present simple.
If people invent new fuel, cars won't pollute the air. When John comes, we will go to the park. If he has a lot of money, he will buy a computer. If you exercise more, you will feel better. If we are lucky, we will go on a holiday to the moon one day.
Exercise 6, page 47.
I'm sure robots will do most of the housework. There won't be many plants and animals left on the planet. I think the Earth will be very polluted in 2100.
If we continue to pollute the Earth, there won't be any clean water left.
I think the world will be a very different place in 2100. I'm sure that robots will do most of the housework for us, so we can spend more time playing and having fun. But I think there won't be many plants and animals left on the planet, so we'll have to find new types of food. I also think the Earth will be very polluted, and maybe we'll have to wear masks. What I'm really afraid of is that if we continue to cause pollution, there won't be any clean water left, and we'll have to go to other planets to find water.
Phrasal verbs. Look. Look forward to. Look up. Look after. Look for. Look for. Search. Look after. Take care of. Look up. Search for in a book. Look forward to. Wait for with pleasure. Exercise 7, page 47.
Complete the sentences with the correct phrasal verb in the correct tense.
We're really looking forward to our summer holidays this year. Who will look after your little brother when your parents are at work? A. What are you looking for? B. My history textbook. I'll get the dictionary and look up the words I don't know.